welcome to the weekly wrap video. Just a couple of things to catch you up on in what has been a relatively light volume and light news flow 5 days of trade here in both Europe and the US. Starting off in Europe earlier this week, we saw better than expected data in the likes of the German and French manufacturing and services PMIs, culminating in a better than expected Eurozone manufacturing and services picture. So just picking a bit of pressure off the board of the European Central Bank as we head into their rate decision next Thursday, where they are expected to stand pat on their monetary policy, with all eyes on that press conference to see what Draghi could possibly hint at. But elsewhere in the UK, we saw a firmer return to growth, with the UK accelerating its recovery as quarterly growth accelerates from 0.3% to 0.6% in the second quarter. So again, allowing more fuel to that fire that the Bank of England need not conduct further asset purchases as part of its QE programme. But again, we'll see that rate decision next Thursday, just a couple of minutes ahead of the ECB's equivalent. But of course, all focus for the BOE is on the potential announcement of forward guidance. But that is not expected until we see the quarterly inflation report. That's on the 7th of August. And just to round it off furthermore, in earnings this week, we've seen Apple bucking the trend of the broader tech sector and actually managing to beat on both EPS and revenue expectations, with Apple shares trading with firm gains over the 5-day period as we head in towards Friday's close. But not forgetting, next week, of course, we have the Federal Open Markets Committee meeting where they're scheduled to announce their monetary policy. They're expected to stand pat. We did see that Fed mouthpiece John Hilsenrath of the Wall Street Journal writing this week saying he does expect the Fed to keep their $85 billion a month QE program on track just for the next month at least. And then looking ahead, they could potentially move that 6.5% unemployment threshold potentially even lower to reassure markets that low short-term interest rates are here to stay. So of course we will bring you all of those releases as and when they are released next week. But in the meantime, we've got a fantastic 5 days of trade, and I'll see you again on Monday morning.